Hello and welcome to my video tutorial on how I record directly from the Visual Boy Advance. Most of you may know me as Yogi30, but this is my new technical profile called YogiiTech, where I will be posting video tutorials on whatever you want to ask me. Just send me a PM. I might make a video tutorial on how to do it. So yeah, one other thing. So these are the programs I use when I create my commentated episodes or Let's Play. I use Audacity, Virtual Dub, Visual Boy Advance, Windows Movie Maker. I have my ROM, and I have a folder where I put everything in. For this sake, the folder will be called Tutorial. What I do first is I open up Audacity, and I go ahead and drag my ROM onto the Visual Boy Advance. So here we have Audacity. Make sure it's set over here to record from the microphone. And I have it usually set at max. Here we have the Visual Boy Advance. Just drag it up here, or no, you know what? Just leave it. Go to Tools to record directly from it. Go to Tools, Record, then to Start AVI Recording. This little box will come up telling you where you want to save it, or asking you where you want to save it. Not telling you, it's not demanding you, it's asking you. So we're gonna save it in that tutorial folder. We'll name it Take 2, as this is my second take of well, I don't really want to explain it, as in the file got too big and I figured out the problem, as in the file the video I was recording ended up being like 35 gigabytes and it couldn't save it and all this mess and everything, so we're going to save it as Take 2. Just press save and this little dialog will pop up asking you how you want to compress the video file. I normally keep it at full frames uncompressed and just go back and compress it with Windows Movie Maker later. So what I do from here is I have this, and I have it right underneath the OK button and the record button right next to each other. So I can press OK, and then I can press record as quickly as possible, because I want the audio and video to start at the same time. So I go like that, and then I just start talking, and here we go. It's recording my voice, as you can see, and here is the gold version. You can just play and it records your commentary. When you're done, press stop and go to Tools, Record, Stop AVI Recording. Now you want to go to File in Audacity, export it as a WAV file, export it as MP3. I prefer to do MP3 just because it's easier in my opinion, and just save it. And it doesn't take very long because this is a really short file, but normally for bigger files it will take maybe a minute. So there we have our two files. You can go ahead, exit out of Audacity and your Visual Boy Advance. And now what we want to do, or in our tutorial folder, you can see we have Take 2, which is our video, and we have Take 2, which is our audio. So what we want to do is open up Virtual Dub, go to File, Open Video File, Tutorial, and we want to open our Take 2. Now here is the video file, here's the frames. You can skip through the frames, and as you can see up here it changes every frame. And go to, at the top bar, go to Video, Video, sorry I was on audio, I was confused for a second. Video, then go to Frame Rate. I normally choose the second of these top three, choose the second, and enter this number right here. In this case, it's 59.408. Okay? Just come down here, press OK, and now go to Save as AVI. So we'll name it Take 2 Synced. Because what this does is it syncs the audio and the video, save it to our tutorial folder, syncs the audio and video in the file, and it just saves it really quickly. Normally this might take up to 10 minutes if you have a long video, but in this case we have like a 10-second long video clip, so it doesn't take very long. Now once this is finished, just go ahead, exit out of Virtual Dub, and go ahead and open up Windows Movie Maker. Wait for this to load real quick, and when it opens, import. This is video, Take 2 video. Or whoops, I did the wrong one. We want to import Take 2 Synced. So here we go. Here's our synced version. Just drag it down to video. If you have this down here but it doesn't look like this, click on show, and it looks like this. Click on show timeline, and it will look like this. Now what you want to do is import audio or music. If you did commentary, open up your commentary file or your audio commentary file and drag it down to audio/music. Now these are pretty close. This is about what it normally looks like, because I tried to press record and stop recording at the exact same time, but there was always that little bit of difference where you can't just do it quite exactly. So there's going to be that little bit of difference, but that's fine. So over here on your right, you have your preview. I'm not going to play it right now because I have multiple programs running and it will be really slow. But once you have this and you're satisfied with it, I go down to save movie file. I go to save it to my computer, enter a name. Let's name it Take Two. But I always add final to the end, so I remind myself this file is the one that's synced, compressed, and ready to upload to YouTube. In this case, I'm going to just choose to put it in my tutorial folder on my desktop, and just press next. I always choose best quality for my computer, and it should save. So saving movie, it might take 10 minutes, but this is a really small video file, so it shouldn't take very long. And just press finish. Exit out of Windows Movie Maker, and now here's our tutorial folder, and we have what did I name it again? Sorry guys. Oh well, it's one of these ones. Alright, here it is, Take Two Final. Sorry for that. Here it is, Take Two Final. It is our 12-second long video file. It's 230 kilobytes compared to the raw footage, which was 47 megabytes. It's a lot bigger. And our audio, 196 kilobytes. We have our synced version and this. I should have just deleted all this. Sorry guys. Just delete these real quick, because that was from my first take where it all got messed up, and I apologize for that. Normally I will have a preview, but in this case our preview is white because the frame it chose to use as the preview was white. So it will normally have a picture or something from a frame from the video file. But here's your finished video file. You can take this video file, upload it to YouTube, whatever you want to do with it. So yeah, sorry I had to rush this video file. I'm trying to rush this video tutorial. I'm trying to keep the file small because if I record too long it gets too big. File gets too big, my computer can't handle it, and it's too big to upload to YouTube. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I'll hopefully post a new video tutorial once a week. If you want to request a video tutorial, send me a private message. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.